Welcome to CarterEats. Today we are repurposing these 7-Eleven subs into the TikTok viral grinder. If you think I can turn this 7-Eleven sub into the TikTok viral grinder, just keep watching. We made that TikTok grinder. We made that TikTok grinder out of our 7-Eleven sandwich. This is a 7-Eleven hoagie repurposed into the TikTok viral grinder. Here's how we did it. That's my son in the background. I'm on lunch break. I ain't got time to fool around. I'm hungry. I've seen so many people do it that I had to have it. I didn't want to microwave my bread to the point that it got hard, and I didn't have time to turn on the oven for my cheese to melt, but I don't really need hard bread anyway, so I'm going to trust the process. But I think the magic is in the salad and the dressing and the red wine. So if this is your first time here, welcome to Carter's Eat. Today we're doing a Subway, a 7-Eleven hoagie repurposed into the TikTok viral grinder. That's my son AJ, home for summer break, or not home, but home for summer break. He lives here, but he home during the day. Let's do it. Come on. Don't let that sucker monkey fall. Okay, we can do it together. We'll turn. We got some white cherries. They were a big hit in the last video. Scoot it over. The magic is in this. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on, tuck it back. Come on, tuck it back. Come on. Pat it down. All right, it's messy, but they say it's good. Here's the disclaimer. That joint, look, you saw the before, and here is the after. This is what I'm going to tell you. This is a big secret. No shade to Subway, but shade to Subway. Oh, and we're drinking a ginger ale. I'll put it right there for you. Okay, y'all. We're all set and ready to go. Oh, my God. The training is intense and so hard, but I'm going to make it. Okay. That's why my hair is like in a messy bun, because I'm feeling completely messy. So listen. I got the TikTok grinder. If you go to 7-Eleven, and I'm a snob, I am a food snob, I will never eat nobody's hoagie from the gas station. Once again, married to my husband, Mr. Frugal, but he likes to spend money on food. But he found, well, I don't know how this happened. We go to 7-Eleven because they make great coffee. They have a discount bin and they give away their hoagies, basically. He keeps bringing them home. They help me, Ma, and Papa, and the kids have a great snack throughout the day. I tasted it like 2 weeks ago for the first time, and this bread is the best bread I have ever tasted. And now I'm not supposed to eat bread. One more time. I'm not supposed to. Come on. Oh, we lost it. I'm not supposed to eat bread. But if I eat bread, this is the bread I'm eating. This bread is so amazing. And what I want you to do, I'm telling you the truth, and I'll put the hand on the Delta shield. It's the best bread I've ever tasted. Come on, sissy. Come on. God dang it. That's why we hate, well, no, I love a good hoagie. Philly hoagie, cheese hoagie, chicken hoagie, grinder hoagie. Oh, God. So, quote me. 7-Eleven, you should be paying me for this. You all have amazing hoagies. And I've repurposed mine into the viral TikTok grinder. It's the dressing. I knew that red wine was going to set that joint off. And it has. Amen. Sorry. Let me not call it a hoagie. With ham, turkey, Gianni salami, American cheese, pickles, mayonnaise, and mustard. Now, took off the pickles, and the mustard basically evaporated into the bread. Make sure you try that sandwich lettuce. Make sure you make that. It's amazing. I want to do a special shout out to these 2 new subscribers. They have been so faithful to me and have watched every one of my last videos. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead, turn the notification bell from gray to black right there, so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video or go live. CarterEats is where you want to be, on the cute couch with all my Cajunians. It's always a good time. Thank you, Coco, for my earrings. It looks like it's falling out. You gotta back it up in there. Now, usually I rotate my bread and I want mayonnaise on every piece. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's so good. Now, really, all I had to do... Really? Nobody was going to call and just say, tap the screen. Tap the screen and say, Lisa, you got... Oh, she's strong. That's how strong the bread is. That's how strong. I could probably just have added tomato and the lettuce mayonnaise wine blend. Ooh. I ain't have to use all that meat. When it drips out the back, that means it's bussin'. Yes, TikTok viral grinder. The magic is in the... What do we call that? It's in the lettuce combo. I ain't talking no more. Thank you to Ray Mack and Sam's World for their support and love and help on my last 2 videos. Thank you to all those new subscribers that came over from those videos. If you never had white grapes, get there. All right, listen. Food be so good, I can't even talk about hot topics. Asking for a friend or nothing. But if you follow Tasha K, a couple of words on the curb is, well, Tasha K said it a year ago, that Steve Harvey's daughter was using Michael B. Jordan as a strategic move. That's number one. So we were just, us, Tasha B, Cardi B, Tasha B, Tasha K, Tasha B, us Tasha K fans were like, we're just going to wait and see if, once again, Tasha K is right. And true to form, Tasha K was right. It was unbelievable. I was like, dang, is she right again? That lady right again. She said, just watch. She going to leave him. And she did. Excuse me. Then, rest in peace to Master P's daughter. I think it's really, really important. I failed as a content creator to talk more about mental health awareness in the month of May. Or was it April? Whatever month it was. It seems that there is so much angst, struggle, and depression in the world. And the only remedy, if you can't find Jesus, is medicine. That I cannot believe what we are seeing in today's world. The football player that just used over 25 or 60 masseuse for his own personal needs. The football player that was young that got, I don't even like to say the word, running across the highway trying to go get gas for he and his lady friend. I'm sorry, I didn't give you a bite. There you go. Okay, family. I hope I showed you make it. I hope I showed you me making it. I can't remember if I said it or not. If you want to, put the sandwich in the oven and let all that cheese melt. You can also put butter on your bread and then put the cheese on top of it. I was really pressed for time today, so there's no time for me to turn on an oven. I thank you so much for watching. TikTok made me do it. The hacks are good. Some work, some don't. Okay, hold on. Here's a hack of me and Blake dropping the Mentos into the Coke. We need to make some. Here we go. That's a lot of cooking oil. Oh. They're not getting my good cooking oil, so we're giving them what we got. All right? Ready? You can pour the soda in.
Now can I also put the
Yep. Tick tack, tickety tack, 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 hat. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Your daddy would say, do not waste my good soda on this foolishness, on this TikTok hack, food hack, foolishness. Those noodles are super good. Here. Nobody likes mentos in the house anyway. It's Blake and Mommy time. Oh. Let's see if anything happens. Ain't nothing happening. Ain't nothing happening. Oh.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. What? Watch. Patience. Evolution. Patience. 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 Patience.
It looks like a tornado.
Patience.
See, like a tornado.
Tornado.
And so many very like tornado.
This is our TikTok hack week.
Smoke. Oh, smoke.
Maybe it'll ignite. Hold on, sissy.
Mama, look. So they can see this one, and we can see this one.
Leave a comment below. Like, comment, and share. If it was your first time here and you had a good time, thumbs up the video and leave me a comment below that says, happy summer. Y'all, that was good. But most importantly, we have repurposed the 7-Eleven sub into a TikTok viral grinder. And it did not disappoint. They have the best bread I've ever tasted. I don't know how processed it is. I don't know what the magic is. We should probably only eat it once a month, considering that it's so good. You can do this. Otherwise, step gingerly into the night. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and go see me in Sam's World's turkey legs and me make my one-pan chicken. I'd appreciate your support. Make it a great day. I hear you, Eatz Dad. I hear you. Ooh! Oh, God. I'll call you.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough.